Hello friends, welcome in my channel Crochet and Knitting Craft. Today we are going to make spiral heart earrings. For this material required is embroidery thread, 0.55 mm, crochet hook, starch solution, fabric glue, earring bags, head pins, beads and stoppers. We will use 3 strands of this cotton embroidery thread. This thread have total 6 strands and we use only 3 strands of this thread. Now start with the magic ring. Single crochet. We will make 7 single crochet in the ring. We have made 7 single crochet here. Now we will work on back side of the previous crochet or stitch. Now we will make a single crochet in back side. Single crochet, one more single crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch at the back side of the stitch. Now we have total 14 single crochet. Now single crochet in the back side, chain 1, turn the work. We will make a slip stitch in the last single crochet. Now single crochet, single crochet. Now half double crochet, half double crochet, two half double crochet in the next same stitch, one half double crochet and second half double crochet. Again 2 half double crochet in next stitch, one half double crochet in next stitch. Now one single crochet in next stitch, one more single crochet in next stitch, one half double crochet, this is one half double crochet. Now chain 1 and we will make a slip stitch at the foot of chain 1, or you can say on half double crochet. We make a slip stitch. Now pull the loop through the stitch where we have made a half double crochet, and again pull the loop through next and make a single crochet, or you can say single crochet decrease here. One more single crochet, now we have made 2 single crochet here, one half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, again 2 half double crochet in next stitch, now we will turn the work towards front side. Now we will make 2 single crochet in this stitch of very first row. We will make 2 single crochet in each of these 7 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We will make 2 single crochet in each. Now we have made 2 single crochet in each 7 stitches. We will make chain 3 here and then cut the thread. Now from the center and back side, take the thread to the back side. We will tie it with the knot to secure the threads. Now apply starch solution on the back side of this spiral part and also the back side of the heart and shape it properly. Now we will shape it properly. Also apply the starch on the back side of heart. Let it dry. Now start with the magic ring, chain 2, now we will make 7 double crochet here. Make 7 double crochet. 7 double crochet are done here. Now we will join it with the slip stitch. Cut the extra thread. Apply knot here. Secure the thread with fabric glue and cut the extra thread. Now take head pin, cut the extra head pin by measuring it. I am cutting the 2 head pins of equal size for both earrings. For the next part, please watch carefully and do the same as done here.